Hey everybody, Jim Davis from Fluke Networks here at InfoComm. I'm a product application specialist, and one of the products that I specialize in is wireless testing. Wireless testing, yeah, I've got a wireless access point. Gives me a lot of information. But the LinkIQ Duo tells you what's happening where you're trying to receive the Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to jump in here and it will show me the different networks that we have available at the show. We can go into each one of the networks and see the different wireless access points, make sure that they are configured properly. This will also show us the signal strength, very important to have signal strength, but also utilization. I need to know how busy the channel is. Now, this is great for one specific point, but if I want to look at the entire network, and we're going to look at the entire giant room here in the Las Vegas Convention Center, we can look at 2.4, 5, and even the new 6 gigahertz where Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 play. Now what this is showing us, these dots that are floating in space, are wireless access points. On the right-hand scale, I see signal strength. Do I have enough signal? On the left-hand scale, we see utilization. Now, 6 gigahertz, very few people working. If we were to go down to 2.4 gigahertz, that's very crowded, we can see strong signal strength for these access points, and this light blue bar is the utilization level. So I can look at my phone and see that I have 3 bars, but if my utilization level is pegged above 50%, it's kind of like the highway at rush hour. There's just too much traffic, and that's going to cause your network to run slowly. So we've seen the LinkIQ Duo, a tool to help us with some basic questions to get our wireless network working. We're measuring configuration, signal strength, utilization, and channel interference. Again, my name is Jim Davis with Fluke Networks here at InfoComm. You can get more information from flukenetworks.com. Thanks for watching.